Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll help you get the best from the BT One Phone Presence feature. As well as letting your colleagues know whether you're available to take a call or not, you can use your presence status to control how your calls are handled when you're not available to talk, like when you're on holiday. Your administrator will have set up certain rules for the status on holiday, like directing calls to the main reception number or to your voicemail. So when you set your presence status to on holiday, your calls will automatically be handled that way. There are 4 ways to view and change your presence status. Let's take a quick look at each. On the BT One Phone portal. Go to the BT One Phone portal at www.bt.com/BT One Phone portal and log in. Click on Call Settings and select My Availability in the main menu. You'll see your current presence status. To change it, click on the Current Status drop-down menu and choose the status you want. Then, use the time and date fields to choose how long you want the status to be active for. Once you're happy, click OK to save your settings. In your presence settings, there's also an option to set up a Follow Me number, a UK number you can forward all your incoming calls to, which is useful if you've left your BT One phone at home and need to forward your calls to a different phone. Just tick the Follow Me box, enter the full number of the phone you want to forward your calls to, then click OK. You may also see a Schedule tab if you've been set up with this. Think of it as your BT One phone diary, letting you schedule your presence status to update automatically when you add meetings and plans to it. So, if you have a team meeting every Monday from 10 to 11, your presence status will set itself to in a meeting during that time. You can set a one-off or recurring presence status. To set a one-off status, use the Day, Week or Month tab. To set a recurring one, use the Regular tab. Use your mouse to choose the times you want from the calendar view. A window will appear where you can adjust your start and end times, and select a presence status from the drop-down menu. Then click OK to save. On your BT One phone using the dial-in service menu. Dial 8880 on your BT One phone to get the dial-in service menu and choose option 1. The system will tell you what your current presence status is, and you'll be given instructions to change it to something else. Each status is active for a default period of time. If you're happy to use that, then just enter the presence status code followed by #. If you want your status to be active for longer than the default, then enter the presence status code followed by the time in hours and minutes and then #. So 011600 and # means status number 1 will be active until 4 p.m. Some presence statuses, like on holiday, use days rather than hours, so you'll need to specify a day and month rather than hours and minutes. As an example, 022910 and # means status number 2 will be active until the 29th of October. If you're happy to use the default presence status, just press 00# and it'll stay as default until you update it. On your phone using the BT One Phone app. The BT One Phone mobile app lets you update your presence status on the move. Just tap the menu icon in the top left-hand corner and you'll see the main functions, including My Presence. In My Presence, tap the right arrow to see your presence options and update your status. Using the BT One Phone Alert client on your computer. Alert client lets you update your presence status from your desktop. Left-click on the Alert client icon. The Status Info window will be open, showing your current presence status. Click on the Change Status drop-down menu to choose the status you want, for example, on holiday. Enter your date and time preferences and click OK to save. This will immediately update your presence status and the information in the Status Info window. With the BT One Phone Presence feature, you can let colleagues know if you're available to take calls and make sure your calls are handled the way you want them to be. If you want more information about how to get the best from the BT One Phone Presence feature and answers to other common questions, visit bt.com/BT One Phone Help.